All right, so let's now talk about part of speech tagging or POS tagging. So POS tagging is used when we need to analyze the words in the sentence for grammar and their arrangement in a manner that shows the relationships among the words. Now, apart from the grammar relations, every word in a sentence is also associated with a part of speech tag. So it's tagged as a noun, a verb, an adjective, an adverb, and so forth. So the part of speech tag defines the usage and function of a word in the sentence. So let's type from NLTK import sent underscore tokenize, comma, word underscore tokenize, comma, POS underscore tag. Then we'll go next line, sent equals NLTK dot sent underscore tokenize, and then we'll pass sample underscore text. And the next line will print, and then in parentheses, SENTS, and then the square brackets will put 1, and then closing parentheses. Then we'll go next line, tokens equals word underscore tokenize, and then pass SENTS, opening square brackets, 1, closing square brackets, closing parentheses, and then next line, POS underscore tag, and then pass through as an argument tokens, TOKENS. So what we have here, okay, so let's take a look at the output now, and this is one of the sentences from the document that we've been working with. And you'll see here in the output you have the word, so a word like galaxies, and beside it you have the tag. So for example, NNS, it means that it is a noun and it's plural. If you saw NNP, that would mean it's a proper noun and it's singular. If it's MD, it means it's a modal. If it's RB, it's an adverb. If it's RP, it's a particle. If it's SYM, it's a symbol. If it's UH, it's an interjection, and so forth. So I will actually put up the list of the meaning of these different POS tags.